Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will be focusing on the Thermomix TM31 and specifically the E23 temperature connector issue. This is a common problem that can arise, and we'll provide you with a detailed step-by-step guide on how to troubleshoot and fix it. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Having these tools ready will streamline the process. Start by unplugging your Thermomix from the power source. Safety is paramount when working on any electrical appliance. Once unplugged, lay the Thermomix on a flat surface, preferably a workbench or table. Now, remove the base of the unit. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the bottom of the Thermomix. There are typically 4 screws, make sure to keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the base of the Thermomix. Be cautious not to force it, as this could damage the internal components. With the base removed, you will have access to the internal wiring and the temperature connector. Locate the temperature connector, which is usually situated near the heating element. Inspect the connector for any visible damage or corrosion. If you notice any dirt or debris, use your soft cloth to clean it gently. A clean connection is crucial for proper functioning. Next, use your multimeter to test the continuity of the temperature connector. Set the multimeter to the resistance setting and touch the probes to the connector's terminals. A reading of 0 indicates a good connection, while a higher reading suggests a problem. If you find that the connector is faulty, it may need to be replaced. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing these steps, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you determine the best course of action for your Thermomix. Assuming the connector is fine, check the wiring leading to the connector for any signs of damage. Frayed wires can also cause the E23 error. If you find damaged wiring, it's best to replace it to ensure safe operation. Once you've inspected and cleaned everything, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Carefully place the base back onto the unit and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure all screws are tightened properly but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the casing. After reassembly, plug your Thermomix back into the power source and perform a test run. If the E23 error persists, it may be time to seek professional help. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to deal with any hassle of transportation. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. Lastly, if your Thermomix requires repairs, we offer a quote before any work is done. This way, you will know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. With these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving the E23 temperature connector issue in your Thermomix TM31, ensuring it functions correctly once again. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.